How to turn off app notifications on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off app notifications on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to turn off app notifications, simply launch the settings on your Android device. On the settings section, scroll down and locate notifications and status bar option. Select that. Under this app notification, you will see that recently this application notification has been toggled on. To turn it off, simply you have to locate the particular app that you want to turn off the notifications for. Suppose if I want to turn off the app notifications on Android for Telegram, toggle the button off and then you will successfully turn off app notification on Android in this way. Similarly, you can do it for other apps as well. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.